So the third application I mentioned at the beginning is the possibility of using the machine for very short steep pitch roof panels. And we've got the machine now suspended above our panel, and we're just going to lower it down into position, ideally in the midpoint of the panel along its length. And you'll notice we've got the machine body itself orientated as if we're doing a vertical wall panel lift, so the body of the machine's along the panel. And we can apply suction a normal way, squeezing the suction together. If you want to use the secondary safety straps again, this is the point at which you apply them, but we're just going to show you very briefly the application without using those. So we're going to lift the panel clear of the stack. Now you can see the machine is holding the panel because we're in the midpoint. The panel is nice and flat, but simply by rotating the panel, you can achieve whatever angle you want on the panel. So when you lift this to a steep pitch roof, as you lower it onto the roof, you can rotate the top of the panel upwards, and when it lands, it can then land at the angle you want it to land at. So that can rotate from a flat 0-degree pitch up to 90-degree, which is effectively a vertical wall, at any point in between. So this machine is useful for that application when you've got short panels of this type up to around about 3 meters on steep pitch applications. So I'm just going to drop it down now, take the machine off the panel, and I'm going to finish off just by talking about the actual suction pad seals. You can release suction, and lift the machine off the panel. So at this point, at the end of the working day, you'd obviously switch the machine off. You'd put it back into its cradle, and then you put it on charge so it's available for the following day. I want to show you on the back of the seals now. Now, when this machine arrives on site, it will have a spare set of seals with it, and it is possible to change those seals if you damage them. Now, if you don't allow these seals to touch anything apart from the panel surface, and you store the machine in the cradle overnight, there's really no need to change the seals. Those seals will last you for the duration of your project. But the spare seals are there just in case you need to change them. And we do have a short video on our website which shows you how to change the suction pad seals. But please look after the seals, make sure the seals on the pads don't touch anything other than the panel surface. Again, in the instruction manual which accompanies the machine, again there's a graphic illustration of how to change the seals, but the video on our website is much better. But the instruction manual also contains information about wind speed limits and information for daily checklists. So that's the Coolboy RW, or Coolboy 4Flex. Hope you enjoy using the machine. Any questions you have at any time, please don't hesitate to call us, and thank you for watching these videos.